diabetes will get worse.
Diabetes is a type of disease that threatens a person's life. It can prevent to severe conditions and death.
Diabetes is a condition where glucose builds up in the bloodstream due to a lack of insulin
or insulin resistance.
Type 1 of diabetes.
The body does not make its own insulin because the insulin-producing cells of the pancreas have been damaged or destroyed. People with type 1 diabetes must administer insulin so that the body can process glucose.
Type 3 of diabetes.
The body does not respond or is resistant to the insulin produced by the pancreas. People with type 2 diabetes may need to administer insulin to help them better process glucose.
Type 2 of diabetes.
Gestational diabetes. The body is not able to make and use all the insulin it needs for pregnancy. People with gestational diabetes may need to administer insulin to meet their body's insulin needs and better process glucose.